For drawing a 180-degree gauge chart, first we need to create one cell for the percentage and two columns, one for hand and one for background. In the background column, write 180, 60, 60 and 60 respectively. Then select the background column. And from the Insert ribbon, select the Doughnut chart. In the chart, remove the chart title and legend. To adjust the direction of the chart, right-click on the chart and select Format Data Series. And then change the angle of first slice to 90. To make the chart more beautiful, decrease the donut hole size amount. We only need the top half of the chart. To remove the blue part, click on it twice. Do not double-click. Clicks should be done at intervals. Then from the Shape Fill at the Format ribbon, select No Fill. Do the same for the shape outline. Then select the chart area. And from the Format ribbon, select No Fill at the Shape Fill and No Outline at the Shape Outline for it. For drawing the hand, write 180. And next column write 1.8 asterisk B1. And next column write 1. And 360. Minus A6, minus A5, minus A4. Then select the hand column. And from the Insert ribbon, select the pie chart. As the Doughnut chart, remove the chart title and legend. Double-click on the chart and in the Format Data Series menu, change the angle of first slice to 90. Select the chart. And at the Format ribbon, select No Fill at the Shape Fill. And No Outline at the Shape Outline. Change the value of A6 to 10 to make it easier to work on the chart. Select the part of the chart that corresponds to cell A6. Then in the Format ribbon, select black color in the Shape Fill and Shape Outline. For better appearances, select an effect from Shape Effects. Now change A6 value to 1 again. As mentioned before, at the Format ribbon, select No Fill at the Shape Fill and No Outline at the Shape Outline. Check the hand size by putting it on the background chart. To fix the hand on the background, hold down the Control button, then select the hand and the background. Then from the Shape Format ribbon, at Align menu, select Align Center and Align Middle. And from the Group menu, Select Group. With this method, a 180-degree gauge chart is drawn in which the hand changes as the percentage changes.